Mercedes-Benz has just taken the wraps off its latest all-electric SUV at the Munich Motor Show, and it's clear the brand is making a bold statement with design, technology, and performance. Meet the new Mercedes-Benz GLC with EQ technology, a model set to replace the underperforming EQC when it launches in the first half of 2026. With a massive illuminated grille, cutting-edge interior, and impressive range, this SUV is designed to compete head-to-head with rivals like BMW's iX3 and Audi's Q6 e-tron. Visually, the electric GLC draws inspiration from its combustion-engine sibling but updates the formula with dramatic styling cues. The front end features a reinterpretation of the Mercedes grille, now illuminated by 942 tiny squares powered by 140 LEDs. Depending on who you ask, it's either futuristic and eye-catching or over-the-top and flashy. Either way, it makes the GLC EV instantly recognizable. The headlights are brand new as well, boasting star-shaped LED daytime running lights, a design that will roll out across the Mercedes lineup in the coming years. At the rear, the star theme continues with new LED taillights and a bold two-piece roof spoiler. Combined with smooth proportions and a slightly stretched body, the SUV looks modern, yet unmistakably Mercedes. Step inside, and the GLC with EQ raises the bar for luxury EV interiors. Dominating the cabin is the MBUX Hyperscreen, now stretched to an incredible 39.1 inches across the dashboard. This seamless digital display merges the driver's screen, central infotainment, and passenger screen into one continuous panel, setting a new standard in tech-focused luxury. Beyond the screen, Mercedes showcases its flair for detail. A new panoramic glass roof can shift from transparent to opaque across 9 segments, creating a customizable cabin atmosphere. For those wanting an even more dramatic experience, an optional constellation of 162 illuminated stars turns the ceiling into a starlit sky. Add to that an intricate ambient lighting system, minimalist console with dual wireless charging pads, and futuristic circular vents, and the result is a cabin that blends technology with artistry. But the GLC EV isn't just about looks and luxury. Mechanically, it's built for practicality and performance. The wheelbase has been stretched to 117 inches, giving passengers more legroom and headroom than the ICE model. Cargo space is generous too, with 570 liters in the rear and a 128-liter frunk up front, making it family-friendly as well. Under the skin, all versions of the GLC EV will use the same 94 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. The launch model, the GLC 400 4MATIC, delivers 483 horsepower through a twin-motor setup, with 4 additional trims expected later. Range is a headline figure. Mercedes claims up to 443 miles on the WLTP cycle, placing it among the leaders in electric SUV efficiency. Charging tech is equally impressive, with 330 kilowatt DC fast charging capability. In real terms, that means you can add 186 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Driving comfort is also a major focus. The GLC EV borrows the airmatic suspension system from the S-Class, complete with rear axle steering. This system not only improves ride quality, but also interacts with traffic infrastructure and Google Maps data to adjust suspension height for maximum efficiency. Meanwhile, an advanced brake regeneration system offers 4 levels of recuperation, with the most aggressive setting delivering up to 300 kilowatts of energy recovery. Pricing will be revealed closer to its launch in 2026, but one thing is certain. Mercedes is positioning the new GLC EV as a showcase of design innovation and luxury technology. Whether the illuminated grille becomes a hit or a miss with buyers, the combination of range, charging speed, and interior wow factor ensures the GLC EV will be one of the most talked about electric SUVs in the coming years.